Hello, this is Dylan, your mentor. How can I help you?
I don't even know how to tell you this. I'm falling apart. Everything is falling apart around me. Please, I beg you, tell me you can take this call.
Calm down. What's your name, please?
Nadia.
Okay, Nadia, breathe. I'm here. What's going on?
My husband. He just left. He didn't even let me speak. He looked at me like I was a stranger, like I had betrayed our marriage.
Nadia, what did you do? Tell me exactly.
I took out a loan, $12,000, from our joint account, without telling him.
Okay. And why? Why such a large loan?
Dylan, it was an investment, a guaranteed investment. I thought that it would save us financially, that it would set us free. I wanted to do something good. I wanted us to finally be able to breathe.
What kind of investment?
A crypto trading bot. Something that promises you 40% returns per month without doing anything.
And who offered you that?
My ex.
Your ex, Nadia. Do you realize how serious that is?
Yes, I know. I know it's ridiculous, senseless, dangerous, but he told me that he had discovered a system, something that only real rich investors use, an automatic robot that did smart trading, and that I would double my money in a month.
And you believed him?
He seemed so convinced, so sure of himself. He told me that if I helped him, he'd let me in on it, that we'd both benefit from the system, and that he owed me that since our relationship ended. He said it was a way of making it up to me.
He manipulated you.
I know, but Dylan, it's worse. Since I sent him the money, he's disappeared. He blocked my number, blocked my messages. Dylan, I've been scammed, and my husband told me that this might be the last time he sets foot in the house.
Nadia, listen to me carefully. You're not just the victim of a financial scam. You're the victim of a perfectly orchestrated emotional manipulation. And I'm going to help you understand, repair, and rebuild yourself.
Please do. I can't even breathe when I think about it.
Okay, first thing. I want you to tell me how he presented the opportunity to you. I want the exact words, the promises, the phrases he used, because it's in those details that we'll find the root of your mistake and the way to fix it.
I remember. He said to me, Nadia, you're a good person. You deserve a better life. One good investment can change your destiny. Crypto is the future, and my bopt, it always picks the right positions. I promise you, there's zero risk. If you help me, I'll get you into something that only millionaires know about, and I owe you that.
Zero risk. Always picks the right positions. Millionaires know. Nadia, you've stumbled upon the perfect crypto manipulation manual, and I'll explain why.
I'm ready. I want to understand. I want to change. I want to save my marriage and save myself.
All right, let's get started. Nadia, listen to me carefully. You're not just the victim of a financial scam. You're the victim of a perfectly orchestrated emotional manipulation. And I'm going to help you understand, repair, and rebuild yourself.
I'm ready, Dylan. I want to understand everything.
Very well. First, the emotional trap. Your ex knew exactly how to talk to you. He tapped into your deepest desires, financial security, freedom, and a sense of being special. It's a classic, the promise of a perfect future to manipulate you.
Yes, he really made me believe that everything was going to change, that I could finally breathe.
And that led you to ignore reason and caution. Secondly, the financial trap. Any investment that promises guaranteed and quick returns, especially in crypto, is dangerous. Always. Cryptocurrencies are volatile, bots are never foolproof, and no millionaire gives their secret to just one person.
I understand, but Dylan, how could I have been so naive?
Because most people are. And it's not naivety, it's human psychology. It's called the hope bias. The hope that everything can change instantly. The hope that this risk will pay off big time. And manipulators know this.
So it's not just me, it's my brain that's been tricked?
Exactly. Lesson 3. Managing trust in a relationship. Money is often a mirror of the relationship. Every secret, every hidden transaction undermines trust. Your husband doesn't blame you for the money. He blames you for the lack of transparency. And that's what's dangerous for your relationship.
So I have to tell him everything. But how?
We'll take it step by step. But before that, I want you to remember 5 essential points that I'm going to give you now. First of all, always verify the information. An investment must be transparent and understandable. Secondly, never invest the couple's money alone. All major financial decisions must be shared. Thirdly, be wary of promises of quick profits. Guaranteed returns equals probable scam. Fourthly, separate emotion from decision making. A business that plays on your emotions is a trap. And fifthly, analyze the other person's motivations. Why did your ex want your money? What do they really gain from it?
I see. I understand now that I didn't just lose £12,000. I put our relationship at risk, and I let myself be manipulated.
Exactly. And now, Nadia, you have 2 options. You can remain paralyzed by shame and fear, or you can learn, repair the damage, and come out of this ordeal stronger.
I want to make amends. I want to learn. I want to save my marriage and save myself.
Good. Step 1. We'll prepare for the conversation with your husband. We'll calmly explain what happened, acknowledge the manipulation, and present a clear plan to recover the money and rebuild trust. Step 2. We'll put a system in place to ensure this never happens again. A shared budget, a secure savings plan, and clear rules for any future investments.
I feel a little lighter, Dylan. Even though it's difficult, I feel like there's a way out.
Yes, Nadia, there's always a way out, and I'll guide you step by step. What you're going through today, many other couples are going through it too. And what you're doing now, that's true wealth. Understanding, learning, and protecting love and money.
Thank you, Dylan. I feel ready to face the situation.
Now, let's see how you can tell your husband the truth, deal with the loss, and rebuild your trust. It's tricky, but it's possible if you do it honestly and responsibly.
I don't know how he'll react. I'm afraid he'll leave. I don't want to lose him.
Listen to me carefully. The key is to speak transparently, take full responsibility for what happened, and present a concrete plan to make amends. You need to show him that you take the situation seriously.
Okay, but what exactly should I say to him?
Sit down with him, look him in the eye, and say, "Darling, I need to talk to you about something very important, and I want you to listen to me until I've finished. I made a financial decision without consulting you. I took out a loan of £12,000 to invest in a crypto project. I believed my ex's promises and let myself be manipulated. I recognize that it was a mistake and that I put our relationship at risk. I understand your anger and disappointment, and I'm willing to do whatever it takes to fix this situation and make sure it never happens again."
But he'll hate me. I don't know if I can tell him.
Nadia, you take full responsibility, you don't make excuses, and you simply explain the facts. You show that you have a plan to make amends, and that's what will make the difference.
Very well. Even though it's hard, I'm going to do it. I want to make amends.
Very well. Next, we need to think about the money. You need to contact your ex in writing to claim what you can. Keep all proof of transfers and, if necessary, consider legal action. Even if the money can't be recovered, it's essential to show that you're taking responsibility and that you have a plan to repay the loan and protect your finances. We'll draw up a realistic budget, reduce certain expenses, and create an emergency fund so that this never happens again.
Even if I don't get anything back, at least he'll see that I'm taking responsibility.
Exactly. Responsibility and transparency are worth more than the money you lost. Next, you need to rebuild his trust. You need to communicate regularly, share all financial decisions, honor your commitments, and be completely transparent. Every action counts in showing that you are reliable and trustworthy.
I understand. I have to prove that I'm trustworthy, not just say I'm sorry.
Exactly. And finally, you need to learn how to avoid these kinds of pitfalls in the future. No investment that promises quick and guaranteed gains is safe. Always take the time to think things through. Understand where the money is going and never mix emotions with money. All important financial decisions should be discussed together.
Yes, I let myself be blinded by hope and promises. I'll never make that mistake again.
Look at yourself, Nadia. You were manipulated, you made a financial and relational mistake, and yet here you are, ready to make amends and learn. That's true strength.
I want to save my relationship. I want to fix what I've broken. I feel vulnerable, but I want to be strong for him and for myself.
And you can. We'll take it step by step. Transparency, responsibility, and concrete action will rebuild your relationship and secure your finances. What you've learned today will serve you for the rest of your life.
Thank you, Dylan. I feel lighter. I can finally see how to move forward. Even if it's difficult, I know what to do now.
Start with that conversation with your husband tonight. Be honest, calm, and show him your concrete plan. Then we'll follow the financial plan together. Each small step will rebuild everything that has been weakened, and you'll see that the situation can improve faster than you imagine. But before you talk to your husband, I want you to know that it is possible to regain control of your finances and make money legally, quickly, without falling back into scams.
Yes, I really want to do something concrete to fix things and regain some security.
Very well. There are several ways to generate income quickly and legally. The first is to use your current skills. For example, if you have talents in writing, graphic design, administrative assistance, or even sales, you can offer your services as a freelancer on platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. You can start generating income within the first week.
Even if I've never done it before?
Yes, even if you're a beginner. Choose a simple task that you know how to do well, offer it, set a fair price, and make sure you provide impeccable service. The first sale will be difficult, but once you have 1 or 2 assignments, your confidence and income will go quickly.
Okay, what if I want something more stable?
Then you can combine it with small online businesses that are legal and quick to set up. For example, you can sell homemade products, creations, or even products that you buy in bulk and resell with a small margin. With social media or a simple site like Etsy, you can start reaching your first customers in a matter of days.
But I don't have much time. I already work.
That's normal. Start small, an hour or 2 a day. Every effort counts. Another option is to offer coaching or help to people who are looking for what you already know how to do. Organization, languages, advice, even online courses. With minimal preparation, you can generate a legal and quick income while learning how to manage your finances properly.
I see. So I can start earning money without any risk, and at the same time show my husband that I'm taking charge.
Exactly. And keep in mind that the most important thing is not just the money, but the discipline and transparency. Every dollar you earn legally gives you confidence and shows you that you can rebuild your financial situation and trust in your relationship.
Thank you, Dylan. I feel ready. I'm going to have that conversation, take responsibility, and start making money safely and quickly.
Very good, Nadia. You now have a comprehensive plan. Tell the truth transparently, own up to your mistakes, secure your finances, and create a legal and quick income to regain control. What you do now will turn this ordeal into lasting strength. Remember that responsibility, perseverance, and concrete actions are your best weapons.
I'm ready. I'm going to act with courage and clarity. Thank you for everything, Dylan.
Perfect. Take a deep breath. Focus on what you can control and take it one step at a time. You have everything you need to turn the situation into a solid new beginning. Good luck, Nadia. Call me back if you need help.
And you, my friends, listen to me carefully. Nadia didn't just lose money, she almost lost her relationship, her self-confidence, and her peace of mind. And yet, what she is going through is a universal lesson. Money and emotions are linked, and every financial decision has psychological and relational implications. You too may find yourself in this situation, manipulated, caught up in hope, eager to solve a problem. But like Nadia, you can learn, repair, and rebuild. The key is never a miracle, but responsibility, transparency, and concrete action. Today, Nadia has chosen to take back control of her life, restore trust with her husband, and secure her finances. You can do the same, step by step. If this story resonates with you, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share it with someone who is going through a financial or relationship crisis. Remember, mental clarity and responsible action always precede financial and relationship success.